I always knew that I wanted to go into medicine. My father was a cancer surgeon, and so I grew up in a medical family. The kind of work that I do is very gratifying. There was no other surgical specialty better than plastic surgery that helps improve a patient's quality of life, and I get to be involved in that from a number of different angles.
I talked to Dr. Hall about redoing my breast implants. They were 15 years old and it was time to change them out, and I was going to have him replace them, but instead he suggested that I just remove the implants to begin with and we do a lift.
I have cluster headaches. I don't have just the regular migraine. Consequently, from 1 to 2 to 3, sometimes even 5 days a week, because of the amount of narcotics I'm taking, I'm flat on my back.
I had a motorcycle wreck back in 2005 and had up to that point about 8 facial surgeries and from 8 different doctors, and no one ever was able to find out the problem until someone pointed me to Dr. Hall.
Here in my office, we address problems from the top of the head to the bottom of the feet. Some of the main areas of my focus are surgical treatment of migraine headaches, cosmetic and reconstructive breast surgery, facial cosmetic surgery of the eyes, and body contouring and mommy makeover surgeries.
So my whole life stopped in the last 18 months to a point I was ready to kill myself.
Didn't have a clue he was going to fix my migraines. It was, you know, my main concern was that I had a drooping eye and no cheekbone.
His advice helped me. I felt like he was more thinking about what I needed and what would be best for me than necessarily, okay, I want to make a lot of money, let's start doing these implants again and I'll get you again in 10 or 15 years.
2 days after the surgery, I probably was in shock. I kept waiting for the pain, but so much of the pain had gone away that I wasn't even sure it was me. I know that is unbelievable.
Not only did he fix the drooping eye and no cheekbone, but he fixed where I had no migraines. So, I mean, if you've ever had a migraine, you know it's worth $1 million to get rid of a migraine. To have it done permanently on top of my plastic surgery, man, the guy's phenomenal.
We do a lot of pediatric plastic surgery, a lot of reconstructive jaw and facial surgery, in addition to both my partner and I spending a significant amount of time traveling doing mission work. The wonderful thing about repairing a cleft lip is that the results are immediate, and watching the faces of the parents as they are reintroduced to their child is just magical. There really is nothing more gratifying than having somebody leave after having surgery happy. It is a feeling that's almost indescribable and is really the reason that I went into medicine in the first place, is that intangible sense of contentment that you get knowing that you have changed somebody's life for the better.